Well, I took another break and this time I mowed the lawns, so they're all looking really good. You can see some of them from up here. So I'm gaining on the sides. All this, the screws have been removed and aluminum nails have been put in. And I've checked all the joints. This is all looking good, all solid. We repaired this one yesterday. This is all good and solid now and protected. All good. So I went around the corner here. I didn't gaco the nail heads yet. All good through there. Now over here, it's soft. And I remember this now that I've rediscovered it. I remember it went bad. It's been a while and I gacoed over and didn't take the time to fix it. So now I need to fix it and I can feel that it's right through here. But I'm not sure. I don't think it goes up into here. No, it doesn't feel like it does. But this is bad right here. So this all needs to be cut out. This bent up and a new board put in there. So even though I don't like doing it, I gotta do that. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I really like the gaco. The concept is great. It is really good. However, the seams are the issue. Now, maybe we just did not use enough gaco tape. And the other thing is, if you do this, a complicated roof like this, with like 19 different slopes to it, if I remember correctly, I counted. It's probably more than that. Depends on what you count. You really need to check it like the next month, the next month after that, maybe 3, maybe 4 months after that, because all the lumber that I used on this outside edge, it was not all perfectly dry, so things were moving. So some of this could be my fault. Secondly, this upper ridge here, I keep asking myself, why didn't I do aluminum in the first place? Why didn't I put the slopes on so it goes up and down. Why didn't I do aluminum there? Why didn't I use nails right off the bat? I don't remember my logic, but regardless, I didn't. It wasn't a good idea. Should have done this right off the bat, but live and learn. It was a good test, and we're going to take care of it now. But it is the seams. Don't hold back on the gaco tape. So what I'm doing now is, as I inspect the roofs, I'm doing some more taping on the seams. Even if the seam looks totally good, like right here, the seam still looks good, but I know it's there. You can see where it is. So I want to clean it with the wire brush and gaco down through. I'm not stopping everything to do that, but as I get the tape out, do a little bit more and gradually get another layer on all these seams. And then maybe next year, the year after, maybe even this year, I buy another 5-gallon pail and do this whole area with one thin coat. But I need to clean it first, and that's what I planned on doing. I really did plan on doing another coat after like 10 years, because I felt it wouldn't hurt. It would be just a good move. So I think my priority is to clean the seams, get another layer of gaco tape on there, and then prep the rest of it for a nice coat down the road. But for right now, I want to get this outer ridge taken care of. Then there's many other things I need to do. Not to mention this chimney right here. We got to do some work on that. But let's not get sidetracked. Let's get back to it. Need to tear this out right here. See what we need and get it fixed.